Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is the Insect Lore Butterfly Mini Garden. You can see we've got butterflies in here. That's a live butterfly. And actually there's 5, and depending upon your monitor, you may be able to see them. There's one on the wall, there's a few on the bottom. There's some that's in the artwork, but there's 5 live butterflies in there. And the cool thing about this is, and you can find it, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. Basically, you get the, what is it called, the larva or whatever, and then, they do what's called the molting stage or whatever, and then the butterflies pop out, and it comes with the food and everything, and obviously, then you release them into the wild so that they can enjoy their life as a butterfly. Just a really cool project. Again, expand this video's description, and then click the link there, and you can find where to order it online. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.